It's important to keep your Adapy Smart Mobility System up to date. Why? Protocols like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, among others, are constantly evolving. To ensure continued compatibility and stability, the Adapy Smart Mobility System must update alongside these technologies. By keeping your Adapy system updated, you'll enjoy a smoother, more stable experience and have access to the latest features and improvements Adapy releases. There are two components in the Adapy Smart Mobility System that require periodic updates: the firmware, which is the software running on the hardware devices, and the software, which is the mobile app used to communicate with the hardware. To check for updates, open your mobile app, click on Account, and navigate to the section where you can check for updates. This will open a screen that scans your system for any available updates. If updates are found, you can proceed with OTA, over-the-air updates. OTA updates are similar to how Tesla cars receive their updates from the cloud. Here's how it works. Click the button to check for updates. If an update is available, click the Update button. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials, username and password, to connect to your home Wi-Fi. The system sends these credentials to the hardware, which connects to your home Wi-Fi, retrieves the latest updates, and automatically downloads and installs them onto the Adapy Smart Hub. It's pretty impressive when you consider how powerful that little box is and everything it does. Keeping your system updated ensures optimal performance and access to the latest advancements in Adapy technology. Now you know how to update your Adapy equipment. So, what are you waiting for? Go now and check to see if an update is available to install.